So, you've mastered the borrow checker, you understand lifetimes, you're technically a genius, but let's be honest, you are still single. Showing your crush your optimized SQL queries or your 0.5% memory reduction, that is not going to work. You need visuals, you need to look like a Hollywood hacker. Today we are going to use Rust to build something useless, beautiful and incredibly fast, just to flex on everyone in the coffee shop. We are not using React, we are not using a game engine, we are staying in a terminal. We are using a library called Ratatui. It turns your boring command line into a cyberpunk cockpit. It renders user interfaces in a terminal at 60 frames per second.
Before we return to the code, I would like to extend a huge thank you to JetBrains for sponsoring this video. You know, I usually use VS Code for everything, but I've recently been experimenting their IDE, Rust Rover, and I must say I'm really enjoying the experience. I tried a lot of various coding editors, and the main difference I found is that Rust Rover is a fully integrated IDE. So you don't have to spend time setting up plugins and configuring the language server. However, this works out of the box because it's built specifically for Rust. One feature I found super helpful is the inlay hints. We all know Rust types can get complicated, but Rust Rover shows you exactly what is happening right in the editor, so you don't have to guess. It also has a native AI assistant, which has been a big time saver. I use it to generate unit tests or automatically explain runtime errors. It eliminates the routine work, allowing me to focus solely on the logic. The best part is that Rust Rover is completely free for non-commercial use. If you're learning or building personal projects, you can use the full power of the IDE for free. I'm actually planning to use Rust Rover for my upcoming Rust Bootcamp in January, so stay tuned for that because we are going to build some really cool stuff. If you'd like to try it out yourself, I've included a link in the description. Check it out and let me know what you think. Back to code.
Open your terminal, cargo new love hacks, add Ratatui and cross-term to your dependencies. We aren't building a web server today, we are building a matrix rain simulation. Why? Because nothing says I am a powerful engineer like cascading green text falling down a black screen. Here's the magic. In Python, this would lag. In JavaScript, your fan would spin up. In Rust, it uses less CPU than your mouse driver. We create a loop, we draw a stream of characters, we calculate the physics. Because Rust is compiled to machine code, we can render thousands of particles instantly. It is smooth. It is buttery. You type cargo run -- release. Boom! Your terminal looks like you are hacking the mainframe of a government agency. Now, take your laptop to a public place. Run this code full screen. Furrow your brow. Type randomly on the keyboard. Will this actually impress your crush? Probably not. They will probably think you are fixing a printer, but you will know that you are running a memory-safe, thread-safe, zero-cost abstraction simulation. And honestly, that is better than love. The code for this reads up is in the description. Go impress someone, or just impress yourself. See you in the next one.